Hello, my dear viewers. Today we're discussing the summary of a book that has sparked controversy for years. The difference now is that this controversy is hidden yet widespread. A book that people say puts you face to face with yourself. But does it really do that? Or are our souls simply tired of these blue nights? And the book just made us realize our reality? On this channel, I will try to be a beacon of light and guide you to the right path. And even if I'm not a beacon, then at least a small lamp that helps you notice this problem. Let's begin. Let's go back in time a bit. In the year 2000, if a group of young people wanted to watch a porn movie, they had to find an old tape or even go to a shady cinema. It was an occasional experience, and whoever saw it would talk about it with friends as if it was a secret adventure. Now, a 13-year-old kid can, in 10 minutes, open his phone and be exposed to more content than his grandparents saw in their entire lives. What was rare is now available 24/7 in everyone's pocket. And the shocking statistics prove that the numbers are rising. Numbers confirm this. 2008, 14% of boys watched porn before age 13. 2011, the number reached almost half. 2017, 69% of boys and 23% of girls. So, an entire generation is growing up on porn before they even understand love or real relationships. The real question is the human brain even built to handle this level of stimulation? And to understand the answer, you first need to know what happens inside your brain. The brain has a reward circuit. It's what makes you feel happy after a nice meal, an achievement, or a healthy relationship. The process is simple. Dopamine release, natural pleasure. But porn plays a different game. Every click, every new video, releases a stronger shot of dopamine. Over time, the brain gets rewired to this pattern. And worse, a substance called delta phos-B actually saves this habit and makes it part of your personality. In other words, what started as entertainment can turn into a real neurological addiction. And here we see the damage that porn causes to a person, shown in the side effects. Over time, 3 major changes happen. 1. Loss of pleasure, daily life feels dull. Hanging out or hobbies stop being enjoyable. 2. Hypersensitivity, any image or ad can become a trigger. 3. Weakened willpower, the part of the brain that controls self-discipline becomes weak. Even simple decisions like exercising or studying become nearly impossible. And it doesn't stop at the screen. Young men suffering from erectile dysfunction, relationships breaking apart due to unrealistic expectations, depression and isolation, a distorted view of women and sex in general. And to show you that you're not alone in this, and that many others fell into this trap but came out stronger, here's a real example from the internet. In 2011, a community appeared on Reddit called NoFap. Ordinary young people decided to quit porn and share their experiences. The results? Amazing. People said they started to feel joy again from the simplest things. Their focus at work improved. They became more social and their confidence came back. And here's the turning point. Porn isn't just a private habit. It's an addiction with the same neurological effects as drugs. Is there hope? Of course, otherwise I wouldn't be here. The good news is the brain isn't fixed. It has the ability called neuroplasticity, meaning it can rebuild itself. Just as it got wired to porn, it can rewire in a new way. But let's be real. The path isn't easy. The first 30 to 90 days are the hardest. Cravings, boredom, and strong urges to go back. But after that stage, the difference is huge. Better sleep, higher energy, focus at school or work, real human relationships. So how do you start? 1. Clean your device. Delete all videos and links. 2. Use filters. Free apps can block porn sites. Even if you try to bypass them, they buy you enough time to rethink before relapsing. 3. Build healthy alternatives. Exercise, learn a skill, hang out with people. Try boxing, MMA, or simply go outside and breathe fresh air. 4. Find a supportive community. A friend, a group, or even online forums. 5. Be patient. Change doesn't happen overnight. Patience is the key to solving many things, including rebuilding yourself. Advice from the book. The author of Your Brain on Porn emphasizes that this isn't just a fight against yourself. It's a journey to rediscover your brain and your life. He says that those who quit notice things like more courage in facing challenges, better control over anger and emotions, the ability to build true love relationships instead of one with a screen. In the end, let me be clear, porn isn't just a few pictures or videos. It's a system that changes the way your brain thinks and feels. But just as technology made porn easy to access, it also made information and support easy to access so you can break free. Now the ball is in your court. Will you stay stuck in this cycle, or start a new journey and live your real potential? If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more summaries and join our community.